Welcome back to 504 Road Trips, and tonight we're staying at the Doubletree Hotel, Bloomington, Minnesota, and we're going to do a room tour. All we're going to do on this video is just the room because we're exhausted. We have a flight to catch in the morning, but I just wanted to show you all around. So we're going to start with the entrance to the room, which has your basic safety features: a latch, deadbolt, peephole. And this is our layout, and this is the room that we're in. And it's a bit bigger than all the rest of the rooms. They don't list a maximum room rate, but we only paid about $110 for this. That'll be on the opening screen once I see exactly what we paid for it. We have a closet right here, which has regular hangers, iron and ironing board, luggage rack, some toilet paper, and over here we have a bathroom with a small bathtub, an industrial type toilet, and one of these fancy modern sinks with hot and cold running water. Soap, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, Kleenex. Check out the shower real quick. Nice flow from the towel. Some bath towels up here. And it's a nicely lighted bathroom with a big mirror, hand towels, washcloths. Well, let's go take a look at the room. We have a microwave oven and a refrigerator, coffee maker with all the stuff that goes with it, nice large television set, desk area with a telephone, light, got an electric outlet and an Ethernet port, and a full-length mirror. And we turn around. Oh, we got an air conditioner down here, and that's controlled by a thermostat on the wall over there. But now we're going to turn around and see the room. And this is much more than I ever expected. Got a nice little sitting area here. Couch, coffee table, a couple of chairs. This half of the room has another thermostat with another air conditioner over there, and two gigantic windows. King size bed, 4 pillows, alarm clock, another telephone, and this side over here has places to plug in, electric outlet, and USBs. There's no drawer in this. Yeah, there's no drawer in this table here at all. Yeah, this isn't a cabinet and it's not a drawer. The top doesn't lift up. I'm not real sure what the deal is with that. And then we have the jetted tub. Say it properly, because the brand name that everybody's familiar with is a trademark, not actually necessarily this. Oh, but it is. I can say it. It's an actual jacuzzi. And we got a couple more towels over here, bath mat, and some soap. So this is the room. We got to open the drawers. Can't do a room tour without opening all the drawers, find out what's in them. Nothing. Oh, Holy Bible and Twin Cities guest book. Empty. So this is the most impressive room. We just asked for an upgrade, and this is on the executive floor, and we did not expect this at all. So anyway, this is a short tour. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.